Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into incredible crypto success stories. Real-life examples of ordinary people who turned a small investment into a life-changing fortune. The world of cryptocurrency is filled with endless possibilities, but for many, it seems like a distant dream to achieve financial freedom. However, the truth is that many individuals, just like you and me, have successfully navigated the unpredictable world of crypto and emerged as millionaires. Today, we're sharing some of these inspiring stories and the lessons that we can all take from them. The power of early investment. One of the most common themes among these success stories is early investment. In the early days of Bitcoin and Ethereum, many people took a chance on these emerging technologies with minimal capital. At the time, crypto was still a niche and highly speculative market. However, those who believed in its potential and took the risk have reaped massive rewards. Take the example of Bitcoin's early adopters, individuals who bought Bitcoin when it was priced just a few dollars per coin. Fast forward a few years, and some of these early investors are now worth millions. Their success wasn't a result of luck but rather a combination of vision, patience, and belief in the potential of decentralized finance. From small trades to big wins. Another powerful story is that of people who made significant gains from small trades. For example, there are stories of people buying into lesser-known altcoins that were priced under $1 at the time, only to see their investments skyrocket when these coins gained mainstream attention. One such story is of a young investor who took a chance on a small project like Shiba Inu, believing that meme coins could eventually gain traction. By the time Shiba Inu surged in value, this investor had already turned a modest investment into millions. The role of patience and education. While some have struck gold with early investments, many crypto millionaires highlight patience and education as key factors in their success. They didn't just jump into the market without understanding it, they educated themselves, followed the latest trends, and understood the risks. Their success came from learning how to manage their investments wisely, instead of following the crowd. Diversification was another key factor in many of these stories. Successful crypto investors didn't put all their funds into one asset. Instead, they carefully spread their investments across various promising cryptocurrencies, staking and yielding along the way. What you can learn from these stories. Start early and be patient. The earlier you get involved in crypto, the greater your potential for growth, but patience is key. Don't expect overnight success. It takes time for projects to grow and mature. Educate yourself. Don't just follow the hype. Take time to understand the market, trends, and specific cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Risk management. Crypto is volatile, and while the rewards can be significant, so are the risks. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Look for opportunities in different coins, tokens, and blockchain technologies. Get started today. Inspired by these success stories? Now is your chance to take action. Start your crypto journey today by opening an account with a trusted crypto exchange. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get started with one of the best and most reliable exchanges in the industry. With the right strategy and mindset, you could be the next crypto success story. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who are also looking to dive into crypto, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, success stories, and updates. If you have any questions, thoughts, or your own crypto journey to share, drop a comment below. Speech Balloon, we'd love to hear from you.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.